At Student Learning Services, we have a range of free resources for all Humber and Guelph Humber students to help you achieve academic success. One of these services is Peer Tutoring, which is available to help you improve your performance in a specific course with guidance from a peer tutor, a student who has achieved an 80% average or higher in the course. Interested in a peer tutoring session? Here's how you can schedule a session with a peer tutor via our online booking platform Upswing in just a few simple steps. Step 1. In your browser, type in humber.upswing.io. Step 2. Click the Log In Now button and enter your Humber and number and password. Guelph Humber students will need to use their Humber credentials. Now that you're in, let's schedule your session. Step 3. Click the Meet with a Tutor option on the homepage. Step 4. In the search bar, enter the course code and select the course. If you are unable to find your course, please visit humber.ca/learning-resources/peer-tutoring and fill out our Can't Find My Course request form. Step 5. If you found your course, let's keep going. Next, choose your tutor and view their availability. Once you've found a time slot that works for you, click on Select a Time. Step 6. In the pop-up window, you can select your subject, review your session details, and upload any files you'd like your tutor to review beforehand. Step 7. Click the Schedule button once you're happy with your session details. Step 8. Your session has now been scheduled. Once your tutor accepts your request, you will receive a confirmation email. And that's all it takes. Whether your appointment is in person or online, please remember to show up on time and walk with the relevant materials to help make your session a success. Also, make sure to double-check that your requested appointment has been accepted by the tutor. We look forward to supporting you on your academic journey.